So this is just a quick tutorial on how to make a graph in Excel. So I've just opened up the lab for 3.03, but this will basically work for anything else. So I've opened up the lesson and I've actually gone ahead and highlighted all of my data here. So that's what I'm going to do at this point in time. So then from there, I'm going to right click on it, and then I'm going to select copy. So once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and open up Excel, and I've kind of already taken a shortcut here to go ahead and paste in our data. And then the next part that I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I just highlight just this last column here, okay, excluding atomic radius at the top here. You just want the data highlighted in the very last column here. From there, you're going to go up to Insert for your tab, and you're going to click on Line, and then I usually pick the line with markers, and then immediately it's going to make you an area here that's going to make your chart. So to select a chart layout to start adding in some of our titles to get the rest of our credit here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go and select this title, this first layout title to the left here. And you'll notice that it kind of puts things in here in blank for us. I'm going to take out the series 1. We don't need that here, so I'm just going to get rid of that. And then I'm going to go ahead and start out by naming my chart. So this is one variable versus another here, so that's just the way that I'm going to go ahead and name this particular one. You could also name it periodic trend, since that's what the lab is about. You know, you don't have to be super original on these. You just need to summarize what data you're looking at in your data table. So we've gone ahead and we've put in a title for that. I'm going to put in my axis title here for my y-axis and use my vertical axis here. So I'm just going to go highlight so I can get rid of all of this. And then I'm going to go ahead and type in atomic radius. And I'm going to make sure I also have the proper unit included in here as well. Next thing that I need to do is I need to put in the axis label that is down here for the x-axis for atomic number. So for that, I am going to go ahead and I am going to go up to layout here on our tabs. And you'll notice that there's lots of different options on here. So I'm going to pick axis titles. And you'll notice that we have a horizontal axis title and a vertical one. We already did the vertical one earlier. So now I'm just going to put in the horizontal. And I'm going to select title below axis. So now it puts that in there. And then next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to type that in here. Okay, so now we have our graph, which is complete. So how do we get this into our actual Word document? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to right click again, and you'll notice again, option to copy. I'm going to open up either my lab report or a Microsoft Word program here just to get it pasted in. And then from there, I'm just going to right click on it, and you will notice that there are some options, some paste options here, but you know what, I like to just use the shortcut, which is pressing Control and then V on my keyboard, and then it pastes our graph in. So you can do that for anything, and you can even resize it. So let's say you need to make it a little bit bigger so it fits the entire page a little bit more evenly. You can always go ahead and make your graph bigger or smaller to fit the area that you need to appropriately fit it into. So it's just a quick tutorial on how to make a graph in Microsoft Excel. Thanks, and have a great day.